Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lisa, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I completed this vibrant raspberry using colour pencils. If you'd like to give this one a try yourself, you can purchase the full tutorial individually for just $3, or gain access to all my monthly tutorials for only $5 by joining my membership. Each tutorial includes everything you need: a high quality reference photo, printable line art, and a complete list of materials. Remember to like and subscribe, so grab your pencils and let's get started. So here is our reference photo, and the first thing we're going to do is really just pay close attention to the reference photo. We're going to work on this raspberry piece by piece, so doing one little bit of the raspberry at a time. If you have a really close look at the raspberry, you can see these little yellow hairs that are coming off it that give it that sort of furry texture. So to put that in, we're going to use some of the cream, a really sharp point on your pencil, and put in the line where you can see it on the reference photo. This will help to sort of indent the page so you don't get any colour in there, and will help you preserve this yellow line as we go through and put in the base layers. So to start with, I use some of the Pale Geranium Lake. This has a little bit of an orange tone to it, and to get darker we start to go in with some of the dark red. Down the bottom where you can see those little hairy bits that we've put the cream in, I also put in some of the earth green yellowish just to make them a little bit more visible. Although each of the segments are sort of a reddy, pinky, orangey colour, there is light and darker sections in each of the little pieces on the raspberry. So what we want to do is just go down really gradually with our layers and build them up very lightly. Where you can see the light in between, you can start to go down and dab your pencil. So just doing little dots on the page to start to build up the texture, so it's not just one blank colour. You don't want it to be fully one colour because you can see the light and the dark in each of the little sections. This is where you need to be paying attention to your reference photo, really looking closely and studying each of the pieces and breaking it down one section at a time. To blend it down and make it smoother, you can go through with your white Polychromos pencil and also with the lighter tones like the coral or the pink Madder Lake. And where you want to get really dark in the very darkest sections, you can go in with some of the purple violet. So for this piece, although some of the sections are very dark, I have used no black, just some purple violet, and even adding in some of the green, the earth green yellowish, will help to darken it up as well using some of those contrasting colours. This sort of thing is really great to upskill your technique and learn about colour pencils, because you learn about blending. You sort of repeat the same thing on each little section, so it allows you to learn these layering techniques and how to make the page nice and smooth, and just blending with your pencil. So we don't need any colour pencil solvent, any blending sort of sponges or anything else to blend it down. We're just using our pencils, which is a really great skill to learn. And in realism, the most important part of making it look realistic is your light and dark tones. So making sure to get those darks really nice and dark. And then here we're going through with a white gel pen and just dotting down some of those really white highlight sections. This is just going to bring it to the next level, add in some of those little jewels of light on each of the little pieces of raspberry, which really make it pop, and just those little white bits of shine to the fruit. I really hope these tips were helpful for you. Remember to like and subscribe, and in the description below I'll put a link to my Patreon channel where this is a full real-time tutorial. Let me know what you think of this one in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys.